let's see her get mad like that.
Come on. What you gonna do when it is?
Vern, I want to hear you cry like Amber does.
Well, Amber's not crying. I can't cry. Can I? No. Come on. Uh-oh, there's the phone, boy.
And Grandma are outside on her first sled ride. And there she is. She likes it. She says, ooh, this is fun. Ooh.
Dad, that's too flimsy for us, Amber. Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
I don't know who's having more fun, that or that.
We're having fun!
Oh, she likes her sled. She likes her sled ride.
Amber Joan Kasuba's first sled ride with Grandma. Does she like that? Watch her face.
You like it? Huh? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I know you get a long leg, Grandpa.
Turn her to go back the other way a little bit. I think Grandma's getting tired. Blumka blunky. Yeah, Amber's having fun. Look at Amber having fun.
Whoa, look at Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa.
Big idea. Take her out and sled ride.
Yeah, but this is not a very good sled.
What's this January what, Viv?
Huh?
What's the date?
January the 6th.
1991.
92.
92, yeah, that's right. Let's switch. Bye. Oh, temperature's mild. What is the temperature? It's 28 degrees. Open winter. Real open. It's nice though. And we're unloading the sled.
Have a sleigh ride, or did we have a sleigh? Boy, you can see that, Amber?
Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye.
Wave at Grandpa bye.
Yee, yee.
We're going backwards.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's going to be